How to make hemp jewelry. Welcome guys, my name is BJ Min from HowExpert.com, where we publish quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. And today's book of the day is How to Make Hemp Jewelry from someone with real-life experience in hemp jewelry. Her name is Tabitha Clark. Okay, she has real-life experience being about this specific topic, because at HowExpert we work with writers and everyday people who have a passion for their topic. Okay, we don't work with ghostwriters to write about some random topic. We only hire real life everyday experts to write about their number one best topic, their expertise. And Tabitha's topic is how to make hemp jewelry. So I want to read go get this book if you're interested. It has step-by-step tutorials and training on how to make hemp jewelry if you're interested in this topic. Okay, we have it as an ebook, paperback book, an audio book, or even an online course option as well. So if you're interested, check out the links below the video. I will read the back book description really quickly to let you know what this book is about. Okay? If you want to learn how to make hemp jewelry, then this is the guide for you. Okay? This is a highly informative step-by-step guide with pictures that demonstrates the fundamentals of hemp jewelry making in a fun and whimsical way. The expert author really connects with the reader on a personal level to give a treasure trove of information, from tools that are needed to the history of macrame to choosing the best beads in hemp. There is even a section dedicated to dyeing hemp. The main focus is in teaching basic macrame knots along with other techniques such as braiding and weaving to give the reader a well-rounded base on which to start making jewelry of his or her own. More advanced methods, however, are touched on throughout the guide in ways that can easily be understood by the beginner. Included are several techniques for making adjustable jewelry as well, for those who might want to sell their creations as well. You will also find numerous tips from the author on general technique based off of years of experience in this complete and comprehensive guide for the average beginner. There is something within these pages for everyone, whether they have been making jewelry for years or have never made a piece of jewelry in their lives. As you go through the book, you will see how easy it is to learn how to make hemp jewelry step by step. Start happily hemping today. That's the book description for how to make jewelry, hemp jewelry. So let me read a quick bio about the expert behind this, which is Tabitha Clark, of course. Tabitha Clark was born in LaGrange, Georgia. As a preteen, she moved to the Carrollton, Georgia area and has been settled there since. Now married with one son, she's a full-time homemaker, homeschooler, and an artist. She enjoys painting, writing, photography, and cooking, or almost anything that obliges a creative flair. In her spare time, Tabitha focuses her energy on jewelry making. She has been making and selling hemp jewelry for about 10 years and continually experienced with new knots, designs, and beads to craft unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. She's passionate about creating and welcomes every opportunity to share her art and techniques with the world. So Tabitha has 10 plus years experience doing this topic, doing hemp jewelry. So this is the opportunity for you, whether you've done it for years or at a beginner, or most importantly, you're passionate about making hemp jewelry as well. This is your opportunity to learn from someone with a decade of experience, of real life experience, okay? Not just researching it, but doing it as real life authentic experience. Just like all our HowExpert authors have, okay? They all have real life experience as well. So if there's a link below the video, go check out our multiple options of getting this book and this training on this topic. We have ebook version, we have an ebook version, a paperback book version, audiobook version. In the future, we also will come up with an online course version or even a hardback cover version as well. So click that link below the video, check out our resources. Thanks for watching the video. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. And if you want to write for HowExpert, there will be a link below the video. You can write for us as well about your number one passion and become a HowExpert author on Amazon. Thanks for watching the video. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.